16 attack points for CBRS, but Sandugo actually had more at 21. 2 block points for CBRS. Isa lang yun sa Sandugo. Pero kung titignan natin, na-offset din kasi ng number of errors with 6 for CBRS and 7 for Sandugo San Sebastian. And we saw it. Dikit yung laban ng second set. So talagang nagunahan lang itong dalawang teams na to to get the win.
And now you can see that Sandugo has regrouped after that second set win. And itong Cagayan Valley almost really getting a 2-0 advantage in that second set. Pero itong third set na to, napaka-importante nito. Dito tayo magkakaalaman.
Oh, but this is not the first time that has happened. Walang nag-uusap dito sa side ng Sandugo San Sebastian, and that's very costly. Getting Coach Roger to actually stand by the sideline.
Alam mo, sa taas ng bolang yun, kahit ako humabol doon, naabutan ko eh.
Sana sinubukan mo, Would have been interesting to see Doc Ian really running at the court.
Ang taas ng
pero
save,
mataas,
pero walang humabol.
And then, it's a clear case of just lack of communication.
That's
Kasi
true.
nakita mong mataas siya, you could have just easily committed and said mine.
2-1. Sandugo San Sebastian with the lead. Shakey's. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it has got to be Shaky. Suzanne Roses with a serve. Read very well by Boali. Suzanne with a good serve to Dionela. Here in the third set. Axel, the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Good block. Uy! Uy!
Balikan.
Balikan ng free ball.
Shakey's again, Andaya waiting for passes to get that ball.
Sartin. Replacing Roy Cases. 5-1. Lamang pa rin ng Sandugo. Tubino. Good save by Suzanne.
One-man block is not enough to stop Jengoli. Let's take a look at that again. Good save by Roses.
Grabe yung buwelo.
Oh. And again, yun nga, hindi enough na one-man block lang ng katapat ni Jeng.
Good floater to Chualin. Ganda ng palo. Ganda rin ng depensa ni Bautista.
Jeng is on fire. Scoring a lot here for Sandugo San Sebastian.
Coach Mike Rafael not waiting for the timeout.
Gusto nyo basagin ng bola eh. Pwede nyo naman ilagay sa gitna eh. Pag nag-running ka, nagdalaw blocker sa'yo, pwede mo na ilagay doon. Wala naman sukuha ng bola, patay na agad. Ang ginagawa nyo, pwersahan kayo kung pwersahan eh. Dapat hindi ka na ng volleyball. Minsan, magka-crumple kayo para masira ang depensa ng kalaban. Ang ginagawa nyo kasi, puro kayong lakas, puro kayo paano. Pwede lang yung utak.
FEU Makati, the newest campus of FEU, is now accepting enrollees in the following degree programs: Accountancy, Accounting Technology, Information Technology, and Business Administration. For more info, call 836-2002 or visit www.feu.edu.ph.
Coach Mike clearly frustrated, and what he's asking for from the girls is to play smart. Tama
Yes.
naman na hindi lahat kailangan paluin, and at this point, parang the tables have turned. It was the same lead that they had over earlier. Look at this. Net blocked by Tubino.
Martin with a serve. Brought in to replace Joy Cases. Good save by Andaya. Chulim goes up, knuckle punch. Pinanatsa pa. Tubino against the double block. Portimol!
Excellent attack.
That was just a second touch. Actually, she had an option to just set it up.
But she's a lefty, so
Saktong-sakto
sakto
yun.
yung,
Parang set ang dating sa
oo.
kanya niyan. Good aggressive play from Chulim or for Portimol. Chulim into the corner. Making the run is Cagayan Valley. 4-7. Oh!
Ball is kept alive. But to Taiwan, just enough speed.
8-4. The first technical timeout goes to Sandugo. We'll be back.